Algorand value equivalent to $0.0971 a coin. The present reach. $0.0970, $0.0991. The earlier day close. $0.0977. The change was 0.0006, 0.61%. Reverse rate. United States dollars to Algo. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Algorand cost expectation for September 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.093. Greatest cost $0.103, least cost $0.087. The normal for the month $0.094. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.094, change for September 1.1%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. At the outset cost at $0.094. Most extreme cost $0.116, least cost $0.084. The normal for the month $0.096. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.090, change for October 4.3%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2023. Initially cost at $0.090. Most extreme cost $0.090, least cost $0.071. The normal for the month $0.082. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.076, change for November 15.6%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. In the first place cost at $0.076. Greatest cost $0.076, least cost $0.063. The normal for the month $0.071. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.068, change for December 10.5%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2024. To start with cost at $0.068. Greatest cost $0.068, least cost $0.053. The normal for the month $0.062. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.057, change for January 16.2%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.057. Greatest cost $0.057, least cost $0.045. The normal for the month $0.052. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.048, change for February 15.8%. Algorand cost expectation for WAC 2024. To start with cost at $0.048. Greatest cost $0.048, least cost $0.037. The normal for the month $0.043. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.040, change for spring 16.7%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. At the outset cost at $0.040. Most extreme cost $0.040, least cost $0.034. The normal for the month $0.038. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.037, change for April 7.5%. Algorand cost expectation for May 2024. Initially cost at $0.037. Most extreme cost $0.040, least cost $0.034. The normal for the month $0.037. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.037, change for May 0.0%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. Initially cost at $0.037. Most extreme cost $0.046, least cost $0.037. The normal for the month $0.041. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.043, change for June 16.2%. Algorand cost expectation for July 2024. At the outset cost at $0.043. Most extreme cost $0.043, least cost $0.033. The normal for the month $0.039. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.036, change for July 16.3%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. In the first place cost at $0.036. Most extreme cost $0.036, least cost $0.028. The normal for the month $0.033. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.030, change for August 16.7%. Algorand cost expectation for September 2024. To start with cost at $0.030. Greatest cost $0.032, least cost $0.028. The normal for the month $0.030. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.030, change for September 0.0%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at $0.020. Most extreme cost $0.025, least cost $0.020. The normal for the month $0.022. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.023, change for November 15.0%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. Before all else cost at $0.023. Most extreme cost $0.024, least cost $0.020. The normal for the month $0.022. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.022, change for December 4.3%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at $0.022. Greatest cost $0.022, least cost $0.020. The normal for the month $0.021. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.021, change for January 4.5%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. In the first place cost at $0.021. Greatest cost $0.021, least cost $0.017. The normal for the month $0.019. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.018, change for February 14.3%. Algorand cost expectation for WAC 2026. To start with cost at $0.018. Greatest cost $0.019, least cost $0.017. The normal for the month $0.018. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.018, change for spring 0.0%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.018. Greatest cost